Jamaica, Oraine, Codner, landscaping. Is that not shaping people? Yes, and the landscaping business, just call it. The number of some people, and the Maroon Emperor, and the Maroon business. So you know it's a sovereign business. Oraine, Codner, landscaping, and a shape where shape.
Big up the Anatabia people.
I'm a fan. I say Anatabia, I'm a place all here. Maroon village, Maroon town. Get to the Maroon, hey, get to the Maroon documents because of Oraine, Codner, landscaping of people. Don't pay no tax. When you deal with Oraine, Codner, landscaping, bring a Maroon documents and no tax.
Oh, big up, big up. Good afternoon, my students. Welcome back to my classroom, you know. Alright. I try a little conversion thing with that saw blade there, you know. You know, see the original one there. See the machine there. So I get this drill out and I'm gonna try fit it on and see how it work when it bolt up, you know. Hopefully it goes well, you know. You know the style already. Never lazy. Never give up. You know, you see it. Alright, watch a style there, you know. I'm going to end up cut out a middle piece here, so you know. To the same span here. That's it can get for slide in on your side, you know. And fit up. Seem like it will work, you know. Go to the hole in my bore. So just have to get that piece here cut out now. And slide it on. Alright. Get that piece cut off, you know. I'll try fix it on, see how it work out. And then, you know, hopefully all goes well, you know. Seem here with the chain alright so far, you see me? Going on, we're going on. Back in business with the song. So give thanks to the Almighty, you know, chain a little bit thicker. And the other one, bar a little bit shorter, and you have to know how me I deal with it, you know. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Blessings, you know, you never stop trying, you see? Never give up, never stop trying. And that's that.